Hello everybody, and welcome to this quick process demonstration showing you how wonderful it is when with VizcomAI you also use 3D models to help stylizing or placing objects or merchandise instead of only relying on text prompts and images. What you see here is a test I did today. Pay attention to the orange jackets in each of these renderings. They are perfectly the same in terms of style, etc. And this is all based on a previous assignment and experiment I did. There you see these two jackets look pretty good, but they're very different to the jackets on the left side. They look nicely and puffy, they look more deflated, and this was even a version before when I just said orange jackets. And this all actually goes back to this grayscale room I created in Blender. Then I did an AI rendering, created an overlay, used the overlay to position the merchandise, and then just do these renderings. So something I tried out today was, and instead of using these images, I went into an older file, turned the sketch into an AI image, then turned that into a 3D model, copied the 3D model, posted, and then actually I downloaded that 3D model. Back in the merchandise design, then I went into upload that model. Here, for example, it is. Used the grid, and then actually positioned these jackets along that grid. So the nice thing is these jackets have also a better three-dimensional volume than just taking a jacket photograph from the front and rotate it. And all I needed to do now is just say orange puffy winter jackets in a wooden store. And Viscom also understood these jackets have to be orange and not silver. And this is then what you get. Look at this. This is really amazing. So you see, this process is very easy. Ideally, also break things up into different files. So one file where you create the 3D models, then you can export it, and then you have one file where you bring everything together and create gorgeous renderings. That's it.